স্বাগতম সবাইকে ইংলিশ ল্যাব 365 এ আমি মির্জা আবির and I am back with you guys and today's lesson will be really special. Do you know why? Because আজকে আমাদের সাথে এমন একজন মানুষ আছেন. He is a really phenomenal English teacher. গত 20 বছর ধরে যিনি একজন ESL টিচার হিসেবে কাজ করছেন এবং non-native স্পিকারদের পড়াচ্ছেন. Can you guess who is he? Okay, I am introducing you with Mr. Edward. So Mr. Edward, say hi to your Bangladeshi friends.
Welcome to 365. I've been teaching English for a long time, and I do now as I speak. And I've met him a long while ago when I was able to help him speak and practice English. Let's learn English.
Very confused.
Very confused. Prefix.
Very bad.
Very bad. Awful.
Very bright.
Very bright. Luminous.
Very simple.
Very simple. Basics.
Very small.
Very small. Petite.
Very special.
Very special. Phenomenal.
Very strong.
Very strong. Forceful.
Very sure.
Very sure. Certain.
Very talented.
Very talented and gifted. Well, this is the lesson of today on 365 with Mirza. And I hope you enjoy the English lesson with me and him. So long. I love you.
Thank you, Mr. Edward. I express my heartiest gratitude to you for enlightening us with your knowledge. And we are looking forward to making more lessons with you. Thank you.